Presenting the Redmi Watch 5 Active BT calling with 3 mic ENC vertical bar 2 HD screen vertical bar HyperOS connectivity vertical bar metal body vertical bar 18 days of battery life vertical bar 200 plus watch faces vertical bar IPX8 rating vertical bar 140 plus sports modes vertical bar heart rate period cycle monitor vertical bar black. It comes in color options of silver and black. It comes with vibrant 2-inch large display with 500 nits peak brightness. It comes with 18-day battery life backed by a 470 mAh battery and smartwatch stays powered for your hustle on a single charge. It also has experience backed by 3 mic ENC. It has zinc alloy and providing durability for any adventure. It also has the smartwatch is designed for exceptional impact resistance.